A blank or unresponsive thermostat can be a significant concern, especially during extreme weather. The first step is to ensure safety, particularly if you suspect a gas leak. Never attempt repairs involving live electrical circuits or gas lines. Homeowners can safely check for loose batteries or ensure the thermostat is properly connected. However, for anything beyond these simple checks, it's crucial to call a qualified HVAC technician. They will diagnose the issue through a series of tests and provide a professional repair or replacement solution. The cost of repair versus replacement depends on several factors including the system's age and the nature of the fault. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future issues. This includes changing air filters, inspecting wiring, and ensuring proper thermostat operation. Remember, signs of an emergency include a gas smell or smoke, in which case you should leave the area immediately and contact emergency services or a qualified technician.